Shaina Kulkarni's mother, and I am here to express our experience with Millennium Star Kids School. Shaina, before joining MSK, was studying in an equally reputed preschool. But we found that the core values of that preschool revolved predominantly around academics. And I definitely did not wanted my child to become a bookworm, at least not at this stage. And hence we were looking for a preschool which had an holistic approach towards learning during these formative days of my child. And without any doubts, it had to be MSK. They have this all-inclusive method of teaching. As a parent, we want our child to be happy, to be learning the life lessons of being social, being independent, to be positive, and yes, of course, to be disciplined. And other than the other regular academic education. And MSK had it all. My very first impression about MSK is that the open door policy. All my anxiety was put to rest when I saw the principal of the school sitting in an open office area and not behind closed doors. Navdeep ma'am is always available and approachable, ready to help and answer all the queries with a smile and a sense of assurance that my child's development would be taken seriously. MSK has a very warm and comforting environment, passionate and nurturing teachers and staff, active learning, child-friendly activities and facilities. We had an eventful journey with MSK. Thanks to all her teachers, Shaina got to participate and dress up for many of the events that were organized. Shaina also got to represent her school for inter-school competitions, the annual sports event, the annual day event ensured that she was physically active too, which is a must for all the preschoolers during their development years. Even now, during the pandemic phase, the school was ready with an action plan for online learning, and it was really commendable to see how the teachers and the whole team put up the whole show the entire year. It surely wasn't easy for teachers, parents and even kids to adapt to this new method of learning. But because of the warm and comforting atmosphere created by teachers, children were full of enthusiasm and were attentive in the virtual classrooms too. I want to thank the whole team of MSK, Tulika teacher, Suprita teacher, Usha teacher, Medha teacher, Anu teacher, Rajesh sir, Bhagwan sir, and of course Navdeep ma'am for being there for my child, as not just as a teacher but as a guide, as a friend, who I know Shaina loves now. Shaina loves MSK. She is going to miss MSK, and so am I. I wish MSK a good, bright future ahead, and I hope they continue with the primary sections also soon. All the best to MSK, and thank you so much for everything.